welcome to Skylark, and I hope you enjoy this video. So as you can see by the lighting, I checked in the night, so there goes the bellhop. So things kind of look dim, but you can make out the room anyway. It is a cute little room, nicely decorated, giving me like this vintage vibe. This is the ocean view room, so it has two patios, as you can see, one facing the ocean and one facing to the walkway as you come in. And there's a little bulletin with all the notices. You have AC, so you're fully covered. That radio over there works, and of course the mini bar, it's fully stocked, but I will talk about this later. You can see where you have a little closet, good closet space for the time that you'll be spending, a mirror to look at your beautiful outfits. And of course the bathroom, I absolutely loved the decor of the bathroom. It looked so nice, and I think I spent most of my time in here. You can see it stocked with shampoo, conditioner and aloe vera gel. As much as I loved in here, we have to move out, and I'm gonna talk about the mini bar. It's stocked with liquor, it's stocked with condoms, it's stocked with massage oil, candles, chips, sunblock, tortuga rum cake, dominoes, cards, everything you could think of. It is there. It is a pretty penny. Remember guys, it is not inclusive, or it's non all inclusive. I don't know how you're gonna say the phrase, but yeah, that is the price list of all the stuff that you see there. So as appealing as it looks, and look at the fridge, it's stocked too. So as appealing as this all looks, do not fall prey to it unless you really can't go outside to buy anything from the supermarkets or the corner shops. But I will encourage you to do so instead, because it is overpriced. As I said, you have ample closet space. Hi guys, and you have a safe. I believe this is like a his or hers closet thing. You get an iron and you get the ironing board, and all of that good stuff is kind of, why am I going back into the bathroom, dear God? But yeah, the bathroom also has warm water to your disposal, because you have two tanks in the back. I'm not going to show you the tanks, but you have two tanks, so you don't have to worry about water shortage. And I need to tell you that the housekeeper comes in daily. You have to kind of tell the front desk when you want her to come in, and she will come. But mind you, you cannot be in the room when she's there because of the COVID protocol. We don't make the rules, we just abide by them. So I'm gonna do a quick tour. That was kind of it. This whole room is aesthetically pleasing, so if you are into Instagram, into social media, this is really the room for you. And in the spirit of just giving you some burrata, I'm gonna take you guys outside so you can see all of what Skylark has to offer, as well as Rock House. We went to Rock House Hotel. It's the sister property, and you can have access to the pool and also visit the ever so famous bridge where you can jump off at your own risk. But yeah, wear a life jacket before you do so. YOLO. And of course, you have access to the restaurants and the cave. I particularly liked down here because look how pretty the water is. And not to mention, back at Skylark, the 7-mile beach, Negril 7-mile beach, is breathtaking at any point of the day. So when you reach Negril, please just take a walk on the beach. We were in the water for most of the day, so I'm just gonna show you how it looks at nighttime and when the sun sets, because when you're in Negril, make sure that you look at the sunset, catch it, take pictures, just bask in its beauty. I wouldn't say they had a lot of activities at Skylark, but it was enough for like a short-term stay. And of course, I was talking about the sunset. Look at that, to the point where I felt like I was in a trance. Of course, you have the front desk. It has a really nice vibe, especially during the day. So like I said, if you are into the content creation, make sure to take pictures there, as well as the restaurant Miss Lily's, where you can get food around the clock and take some pretty pictures. So tell me in the comments, would you book here for your next vacay? Thank you for watching again. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are new here, welcome to the family. If you are old and an OG subscriber, welcome back. So guys, I'm gonna leave you now. I hope you have a great day, great week, great month, great year, as long as it's great. See you in the next video. Bye.